So my name is Taylor Zidel. I am 22, soon to be 23, and I attend Concordia University in psychology, specifically specialization, and I'm getting my bachelor's.
So what specifically are you interested in going into?
So I would like to be a psychotherapist. I hope to be pursuing a master's in couples and family therapy at McGill. And if that doesn't work out, I also have a backup plan, which will be a diploma in youth work.
So, why psychology?
So when I was 13, 14, I was diagnosed with depression, with major depressive disorder and generalized anxiety disorder. And I think that is where my curiosity and then love for psychology started. But the reason I really ultimately want to be in psychology is to help other people like me, people who are struggling. I know what it can feel like. I've been there. I just want to help others and help people feel better and get them out of the situations that they are in and that they think are never going to end. That there is a way out, and you will eventually start to feel a little bit better day by day, step by step.
What kind of experiences have you had volunteering?
I've been tutoring these twins, a boy and a girl, who are absolutely adorable. I'm tutoring them in French. Hi guys! Then I am also doing a few programs where I call different people on the phone who suffer with chronic mental illness, and I'm just there as a support, as a friend, to see how they're doing in this time of in this pandemic. I'm supposed to be teaching a fitness class to kids in a group home. I'm looking at actually getting a job at Batshaw Youth Center, which is where I'm doing a lot of my volunteering right now. So I'm crossing my fingers that that happens.
So where did your love for plants begin?
So I've always loved nature. As you can see, I love animals too. We have a cottage and I was always outside 24/7 throughout the entire summer. I've loved nature since I was little.
Hi, Nanny. Hi, Taylor. Good one.
And one day I kind of realized that if I could keep houseplants alive, then I could sort of bring nature inside. And that's what started my love for houseplants. I'm an extreme animal lover, so I knew I was going to rescue. Radar is originally from Alabama. He was an owner surrender and was brought to a kill shelter. He's 2 years old now. Then Brandy is from Texas. She was living in a trailer park with a pack of other wild feral dogs, and had a litter of 5 puppies, even though she's just around one year old herself, which is still a puppy. And they both come from different rescues from different times, but they're like brother and sister now. My parents both think that I have way too many plants. I think it's not hoarding if it's plants. Taking care of the plants actually helped fill a pretty big void in me. Getting the plants was just a way that I could be tending to things that are not just myself. I really liked that concept of having all these things that I guess need me.
Did the plants make you feel valuable?
Not valuable, but valued.